Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Pulit jong ke East Khasi Hills District hado menta kimpat lap Dien Satya ya ki Runar ki badan kiti ban Lute ya ke Petrol pom Laitumkhrah ha ke sngi satjan jong ke santerik ubnai rempang arajar arfuar ha ke bakilayo ban khong ya ke pisa ke bakot hado lak prapo hajar tengka. Haga baya day bat kani Menteri Ketenat ki kampo yang ke jela uba lak kemen rumbui ula ong baka tenat Pulit kan am song thaj ban bot din hado ban dayok kem ni ki Runar ki badan kiti kenang bakum gini ki jingjia kin am jiashu hapo kani ke jela.
It is not fair to say that a petrol pump is being the target, because the criminal, the people who are commit those crimes, they have identified which place they will able to load. And petrol pump being on the, most of them being on the highway or on the roadside, yes, it become easy. But I am very happy that almost all the petrol pump in the state, almost all, have been fixed with a CCTV. But the criminal, when they come with helmet and all and with fake number plate, it will take time, but I hope that the police is on the job and they will be able to crack this crime so that these people will be brought to book.